Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Chapter 5 Solids, Liquids and Gases. In previous video, we had discussed properties of all the three states of matter, that is solids, liquids and gases. Solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. The molecules in the solids are tightly packed. They cannot move around. Because of this, they are having fixed shape and fixed volume. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed and can move around. It can be poured into a vessel. Because of this, they don't have fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. So it can flow and have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Gases, in the gases, molecules are arranged having large empty space. So they have no fixed shape, no fixed volume, and they fill the space of the vessel and flow more easily than liquids. Air is the best example. Smoke is the best example for the gases. Within a fraction of second, they reach to each and every corner of your room because they flow more easily and they will spread more easily because of the molecular arrangement in the gases. They are having the large empty space. Second topic, that the states of matter are interchangeable. So today we will see that how states of matter are interchangeable. In previous video also, figure 5.3, we had discussed that when you heat ice, when you take out the ice from the refrigerator, in that atmospheric temperature, it will be slowly it will get converted into water. Water, when you again heat it or when you boil it, it will be converted into vapor. Vapor, when again cooled down or it is condensed, it will converted into water droplets. Again water, when you cool down, you put it into refrigerator, again it will be converted into ice. So today states of matter are interchangeable. First point, when we heat or cool, when you heat or cool, when you are heating anything or when you are cooling any matter, then the state of the matter changes. Yesterday's best example, previous video's best example, when you heat the water, water will change it into vapor. So their state is changing. उसका स्टेट वो चेंज हो जाता है, लिक्विड फॉर्म में से वो गैशियस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. अगेन व्हेन गैशियस फॉर्म, वो दैट वेपर इज कूल डाउन, व्हेन यू कंडेंस दैट वेपर, व्हेन इट इज कूल डाउन, तो अगेन इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स. सो व्हेन यू हीट और कूल, the state of matter changes. Next example, solid wax melts on getting heated. In your textbook, on your page number 44, figure 5.4, it is given. See that wax candle, you are light it and then you let it burn for some time. It will get converted into melted wax. Students, it is request to each and everyone, whenever you watch any video of any subject, it is better to keep your textbook open so it will become easier for you to understand properly. Page number 44, figure 5.4, it is given. Solid wax melts on getting heated. So when you take that wax candle, light it and let it burn for some time, you will observe that wax melts on getting heated. Next, dissolving solids in water. Water is a liquid substance. In that, if you are dissolving any solid substance like salt, like sugar, sometimes you may add sand also. then what will happen? Here in your textbook on page number 45, figure 5.5, with the activity they had given the same thing we are discussing just now. Open your textbook, page number 45, figure 5.5, sugar dissolves in water. Substances like sugar and salt are soluble in water. Take a beaker half filled with water. Put some sugar into it and stir it well. After some time, the sugar have dissolved in water. After some time, if you will see, all that sugar will get dissolved in water. This means their molecules find space between the molecules of the water. You know why? Because in that liquid they are loosely packed compared to that solids. So the space between the molecules of the water or any liquid, it is filled up by that molecules of that salt and sugar. So when you are adding the sugar into it, in that whatever space is left in between the molecules of liquid, it is filled up by the molecules of this solid substance like sugar. The liquid is not sugar solution. Sorry, not the liquid is now sugar solution. My printing mistake is there in second last point. The liquid is now sugar solution. By mistake it is printed instead of not, it should be now. So second last point, the liquid is now sugar solution. In this solution, sugar is the solute, the water is the solvent. So whenever you are doing this type of the activity where liquid you are taking and any solid substance you are taking, and if you are dissolving that solid into that liquid substance, at that time that sugar or any solid matter or any solid particles are known as the solute. And any liquid substance, water or any other liquid you are taking, it will work as a solvent. Again, last point, in this solution, sugar is the solute and the water is the solvent. And the solute and the solvent together, when you mix that sugar into that liquid, that is the water, when you stir it well, that all that sugar is dissolved. Now whatever that new form you got, it is called that sweet water solution. It is known as the solution. Again I am repeating, in second last point, the liquid is now sugar solution. My printing mistake is there, it should be NOW now. So activity 3 given on page number 45, take a beaker half filled with water, put some sugars into it and stir it well. You will see that after some time all that sugar has dissolved and the new liquid form is now sugar solution. So under that figure, this given sugar solute plus water solvent equals to sweet water solution, and in the bracket it is given solute, a solid that dissolves in a liquid. Again, what is solute? A solid that dissolves in a liquid. What is solvent? In the bracket the answer it is given, a liquid substance in which solid dissolves. And what is the solution? The solute and the solvent together will give you the solution. Again students, whenever you watch this video, keep your textbook open. On page number 44, figure 5.3, 5.4, 5.5 are given that you have to keep in your mind, and with the help of that all that previous videos and today's videos, you have to complete that activity 2, that too also with the help of this video which is given on page number 44. Page number 44, oral question box it is given, that also you have to complete. Tick mark with your pencil. Wherever you are doing any exercise in your textbook, you have to use your pencil only. First one, dash have a fixed shape and fixed volume. Now you will be able to give this answer. Yes, it is solids. Second, dash take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Yes, it is liquids. Liquids take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Third, gases have fixed volume, a fixed shape or no shape. Gases have no shape. Fourth one, ice changes to liquid water on heating, on cooling or crushing. When you take out ice, it will change into water. When on heating means directly you are not giving the heat. आप जब रेफ्रिजरेटर में से बर्फ़ निकालते हो and when you are keeping outside, due to that temperature, atmospheric temperature, it will be converted into liquid water. Fifth, dash changes to liquid water on cooling. Water changes dash changes to liquid water on cooling. When you cool it, water will changes to liquid. Ice changes to liquid water on cooling. Answer fifth will be ice. So students, on day to day whatever videos are uploaded daily, you have to watch that videos regularly and check your ERP also. Whenever a prep is given, you have to complete that prep in your classwork book. And thank you students.